Hey guys, Shed here now if I remember. So with this project here, we're doing a washroom renovation and we need to install the vent line. So there was never an existing vent before. So what we're going to do, we're going to be cutting a new hole. It's going to be a 6-inch hole. We're going to be cutting from the outside inward. So just so you guys know, before you do this, you want to make sure you have your reference point, which I want to show you guys shortly. So what do I need for this? I need the hammer drill. This is a Bosch hammer drill, rotary hammer drill. And then first thing you want to get a smaller bit, and then before we transition into the bigger bit. So first thing you want to do is you want to drill the hole from the inside. The location as you can see right there, you want to drill from the inside outward. So remove all the insulation, drill outward to get your reference point. And then you can go outside, then drill in. So we're outside now, so what you want to do is make sure that you get a locate some sort of reference point, get a measurement to make sure there's no things like the gas line or the air conditioner where you're drilling the hole, and to get mark it so that way to make just an extra precaution to make sure you're not drilling through anything from the outside. Hey guys, so we're going to be drilling through here. This is existing vent pipe for heating supply for the second floor. So we're in the basement right now. So as you can see, so it's a tight spot. So my reference point is going to be somewhere where the green line is, and we're going to be drilling it outwards, and then we can make the hole, and then we can drill from the outside inward for the vent pipe. So we're going to be drilling 6-inch vent pipe. So we're using an inch drill bit just to make the hole a reference point, and then we can use the 6-inch after. So right now I've just made the hole. As you can see, now we can see through to the other side. So this is the hole we made. So now we can drill our 6-inch core bits for the. So this is the 6-inch core bits. And then I'm going to swap it out. So this is the 1-inch we used for the hole, for the reference point. So we're going to put in this bad boy. Hey guys, so we just finished drilling our holes. I'm gonna show it to you guys.